Hello and hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic we are going to discuss multiplication of matrices. Here we have two matrices A and B. If A is equal to 1, 4, 3, 2 and B is equal to -1, 2, 0, 5. These two matrices A and B can be multiplied together if and only if the number of columns in A is equal to the number of row in B. Before we move on to the topic multiplication of matrices, let me explain what is the order, the product of matrices A and B. If the order of matrix A is m by n and the order of matrix B is n by p, the order of the product of AB will be m by p and is denoted by AB is equal to Cij m by p. I stands for row and J stands for column. Here, according to the matrix multiplication, number of column in the first matrix should be equal to the number of row in the second matrix. Then the leftover row in the first matrix and column in the second matrix will be the row and column for the resultant matrix. Therefore, the resultant matrix C order is m by p. For example, A is equal to 5, 2, 6, 4 and B is equal to 1, 3. Before we start multiplying it, check whether it is possible or not. Here A is a matrix of order 2 by 2 and B is a order 2 by 1. According to the rule of matrix multiplication, number of column in the first matrix A should be equal to the number of row in this matrix B. So here number of column in the first matrix is 2 and the number of row in the second matrix is 2. Both it is equal. Here the matrix multiplication is possible. Now let me explain how to multiply the multiplication of matrices. Their product is denoted by A into B or AB. To make you understand, I am going to take an example. If A is equal to 1, 4, 3, 2 and B is equal to -1, 2, 0, 5. Then we will start multiplying two matrices A and B. We need to follow few steps. Step number 1. Multiply every element of the first row of matrix A with the corresponding elements of first column of matrix B, which is 1 into -1, 4 into 0, and add them to get the first element of the first row of product matrix AB. 1 into -1 plus 4 into 0. Second step. Multiply every element of the first row of matrix A with the corresponding element of second column of B, which is 1 into 2, 4 into 5, and add them to get the second element of the first row of the product matrix AB. 1 into 2 plus 4 into 5. Applying the same procedure, multiplying the elements of second row of A with the corresponding elements of the second column of B and to get elements of the second row of AB. Look at this. To get the second row of AB, we need to multiply 3 into -1 plus 2 into 0, 3 into 2 plus 2 into 5, which is equal to 1 into -1 -1, 4 into 0, 0, -1 plus 0. Next, 1 into 2, 2 plus 4 into 5, 20, 3 into -1 -3 plus 2 into 0, 0, 3 into 2, 6 plus 2 into 5, 10, which is equal to -1 plus 0, -1, 2 plus 20, 22, -3 plus 0, -3, 6 plus 10, 16. So this is the resultant matrix of AB.